Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the isometric projection. Okay, isometric projection of a frustum of cone. How to draw the isometric projection of a frustum of cone? Okay. Here the question is given us: draw the isometric projection of the frustum of cone of base diameter 60 mm and top base diameter 35 mm, and its axis length is 50 mm, and it is rest on HP. Okay. So now we are first we are going to draw a simple diagram of a frustum of a cone. Draw a XY line. It's a reference line XY. The top view of the frustum of a cone. Diameter of 60 mm by using a compass. Take a measurement of 30 mm radius and draw a circle. And the top base is 35 mm. In compass, take a radius of 17.5 mm and draw a circle. Base diameter 60 mm, top base diameter 35 mm. Cone. Divide the circle into four parts. Then only we can draw a circle in three-dimensional view. That is isometric. Base A, B, C, D. In top, one, two, three, and four. That's the circle. Now we are going to draw a front view. And also for top view, we have to extend this. Okay. In the next step, they are given us the axis length is 50 mm. So we have to mark a 50 mm line from XY and mark it here. and join the outer points by using scale like this. That's the outer areas. So this is the front view of the frustum of a cone. Top base is 35 mm and bottom base is 60 mm. Okay, we have to mark a points in so dash. This one is C dash. This is B dash in bracket P dash. And this one is 1 dash. This one is 3 dash. This one is 2 dash in bracket 4 dash. Okay. For drawing the isometric projection, first we have to consider the top view of the given diagram. Okay, we have to change this diagram into rectangular or square format. Okay, by using your scales, and also the top circle. Then only we can draw a isometric projection, isometric view in 3-dimensional. Name the corners for the square for our convenient. 2, 3, 4. This one is 5, 6, 7, 8. Name the corners for this square and also for this square. Then only we can easily draw the isometric projection. So the first procedure is draw a line, select any one point in this line. Okay, select any one point in this line, and from that point we have to measure 30° in both sides. 30° in both sides from this point. By using protractor, place the protractor in this point and measure 30° in right side and also 30° in left side. First, we are going to draw the bottom circle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. consider this point as 1. First of all, we are going to transfer this square shape into this. First, place this. First, the one. Take this point as 1 and measure 1 to 2 by using compass and cut an arc here. Place the compass here and cut the measurement here. 2. And take a measurement 1 to 4 and cut an arc from 1 to 4 here. Then try to cut the point 3. May take the measurement 2 to 3 and from 2 we cut the arc here. And from 4 to 3 we take the measurement 4 to 3 and cut an arc from 4 to 3. And by approximately so that only measurements will be there. Point 3. From that we are going to construct a rectangular box for the height of 50 mm. For that take from all the points we are measuring 50 mm and draw a line. From all the points we have to draw a 50 mm straight line for constructing a rectangular or a square box. The height is 60 mm, so you have to draw a 60 mm line. According to the axis, we have to draw the specified line. So we draw the lower box 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to draw the upper box, that which means the 5, 6, 7, 8, the upper square box. Okay. For that, we are going to transfer this small square points into to the bigger squares like this. I change the color, then only you can see that. So now we are going to transfer this small square to the bigger space like this. Draw a straight line from point 8 in horizontal and then vertical. And from 7, also you have to draw a line like this. From 6, you have to draw a straight line by using the scale. So we are having 2 points for 8, 2 points for 7, 2.56, and 2.55. Measure these points from 4 and mark it in 4. Sorry, in upper base. Measure the points from 1 and mark it here. And measure the point from 2 and mark it here. And measure the point from 3 and mark it here. When we turn all the point lines, all the points in straight, you will get a small square. 5, 6. Okay. We are converting the small square in upper side. 5, 6, 7, 8. For drawing the circle, we had to measure the center points of these lines. Join the center line by using a scale like this, like a V shape, and also in like this. Now, by using free hand, you have to join these points. Now you're going to join these points by using compass. Okay, place a compass here and take a measurement from this point to this point and draw an arc. By the same way, place a compass here. You should not draw it by freehand. You have to draw by compass. Okay. Place a compass here and take a measurement here and draw an arc to join these points. And place a compass here and take a measurement of this point and draw an arc. And also similarly place a compass here and take this measurement, draw an arc. When you use a proper dimension and procedure, you will get a perfect circle here. Yeah, now I am drawing. Now I am drawing by using freehand. Then that's only it is in irregular shape. By the same way, here also using that procedure, you have to draw an arc. Place a compass here. Take this measurement. Final step is join the outer edges like this. They will get a custom of code.